Hi everyone, welcome back to NIIT. In today's fast-paced work environment, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and maximize productivity. But with endless tasks on your plate, it can be challenging to stay on top of everything. Thankfully, AI is here to help. In this video, I'm going to share 7 powerful AI tools that can help you save time and work smarter. Whether you're creating content, editing videos, organizing your notes, or designing presentations, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Number 1. AI hack for content creation, Jasper. Let's start with content creation, which is often a time-consuming task for many of us. Whether you're writing blog posts, articles, or even social media captions, it can take a lot of mental effort. But Jasper, formerly Jarvis, is an AI tool that can help you create high-quality content in minutes. How does it help? Jasper uses advanced natural language processing to generate content based on brief prompts you provide. It can write entire articles such as blog topics or help with shorter social media posts. If you're struggling to find the right words or need some inspiration, Jasper's AI does the heavy lifting for you. Why is it awesome? It saves hours of writing time, generates SEO-friendly content, and helps you brainstorm ideas and overcome writer's block. For example, if you need a blog post about AI in marketing, Jasper can write a detailed article based on just a couple of instructions. Number 2. AI hack for video editing, Descript. Video content is becoming increasingly essential in professional environments, but editing can be tedious and complex. Here's where Descript comes in. But how does it help? Descript is an AI-powered video and audio editing tool that simplifies the process. You can edit videos by editing the transcript. Simply upload your video and Descript will transcribe it. You can delete words or sections just by removing text from the transcript. This makes video editing incredibly efficient and user-friendly. Why is it awesome? Automatic transcription, audio-to-text and text-to-audio capabilities, and speeding up the editing process by removing filler words like and Imagine this. You've just finished recording a presentation. Instead of spending hours trimming video footage, you just edit the text. That's the magic of Descript. Number 3. AI hack for note-taking, Otter.ai. Now, let's talk about note-taking. If you've ever struggled to keep up with the meetings or conference calls, Otter.ai is the AI tool you need. How it helps? Otter.ai is a transcription tool that uses AI to convert speech into text. You can upload audio or record live during meetings and it will automatically generate accurate notes. It even identifies different speakers and provides a time-stamped transcript which is perfect for reviewing and sharing later. Why is it awesome? Real-time transcription, speaker identification, and shareable meeting summaries. Instead of scrambling to take notes or missing important points, Otter helps you capture everything in real time, making your meetings more productive. Number 4. AI hack for presentation design, Beautiful.ai. Presentations can often be time-consuming, especially when you're trying to design visually appealing slides. That's where Beautiful.ai steps in. How does it help? Beautiful.ai uses AI to help you design professional and eye-catching presentations in minutes. It offers ready-made templates and auto-adjusts the layout of your slides as you add content, ensuring that everything stays aligned and visually balanced. But why is it awesome? Automated design suggestions, customizable templates, saves time on formatting. If you've got a report or a pitch to make, Beautiful.ai takes the design stress away and lets you focus on the content. It even adjusts the slides as you edit, ensuring they look perfect every time. Number 5. AI hack for task management, Todoist with AI Assistant. Task management is a must for staying on top of your to-do list. Todoist is one of the most popular task management apps, and with its AI-powered assistant, it's even more useful. How does it help? The AI assistant within Todoist helps you prioritize tasks, set reminders, and even suggest optimal times to complete certain tasks. It learns your habits and adjusts its recommendations accordingly. Why is it awesome? AI-driven task suggestions, deadline and reminder optimization, and seamless syncing across devices. Using Todoist, you can better organize your day, focusing on what matters most and staying on track with less mental effort. Number 6. AI hack for image creation, Canva with AI features. If you need to design anything, social media graphics, presentations, flyers, Canva is a popular design tool. But what makes it even better is its AI integration. How does it help? Canva's AI tools can auto-generate design layouts based on your content and brand guidelines. It also features an AI-powered logo generator, text-to-image tools, and an AI background remover. These tools significantly cut down the time spent on manual design work. But why is it awesome? Easy-to-use interface, AI-powered design elements, instant logo and background removals. For example, if you need to create a promotional image quickly, Canva can help generate the perfect layout in seconds, so you're ready to go in no time. Number 7. AI hack for time tracking, Toggl Track. Finally, let's talk about time tracking. Time management is critical, and Toggl Track is an AI-driven tool that helps you track and optimize how you spend your workday. How does it help? Toggl Track uses AI to automate and enhance your time tracking experience. It intelligently categorizes your activities and provides detailed insights into where your time is being spent. With its advanced reporting and smart suggestions, Toggl Track helps you pinpoint inefficiencies and improve your workflow. Why is it awesome? Toggl Track's AI-powered auto tags and smart suggestions streamline your time entry process, saving you time and reducing manual effort. Also, detailed analytics and reports. The AI generates customized reports that highlight areas where you're spending too much time, and then it can suggest how to optimize your productivity. Activity suggestions. Toggl Track can recommend activities and task prioritizations based on your previous work patterns, helping you stay on track. If you're looking to improve your productivity, stay on top of your projects, and optimize your time usage, Toggl Track gives you a clear and intelligent view of your day's workflow. So, there you have it. 7 AI tools to boost your productivity and save your time. Whether it's Jasper for content creation, Descript for video editing, Otter.ai for note-taking, Beautiful AI for presentations, or Toggl Track for time tracking. These tools can make your work life a lot easier and more efficient. By leveraging AI, you can automate tasks, streamline your workflow, and focus on the creative and strategic aspects of your job. So, which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. And don't forget to check out NIIT's certification programs in high-demand technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, and more. Link in the description. I will see you in the next one.